Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 4044M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 400E front end loader. The tractor also has the rear backhoe attachment that goes right with the machine. Tractor has just under 100 hours on it. Very, very clean tractor. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty as well. Has a John Deere style hookup for your bucket connection. Front grill guard is on it. Still see the pips on the tires. See the ridges on the tires there. It's the 485A backhoe. You can see where it has done a little bit of digging, but it's practically new as well. It is subframe mounted, so you do have a subframe attaching that backhoe. The backhoe is quick attach. You can easily remove it and use the tractor for standard 3-point implements. Has a 3-range hydro transmission. 3 ranges here to the left of the seat. Twin pedals on the floor for forward reverse. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.